Welcome to Product Critique, your go-to channel for honest product reviews. Today, we're diving into the world of adorable garden decor with the best Yorkshire Terrier planter available on the market. This Yorkshire Terrier planter by Toyswill is not just a plant pot, but a charming addition to any home or garden. Crafted from high-quality PVC, it combines durability with an eye-catching design, perfect for both indoor and outdoor settings. Let's talk about why this planter stands out. Firstly, its sturdy construction ensures it can support plants and soil with ease. Designed as a cute dog shape, it adds a playful touch wherever it's placed. Assembly is straightforward, simply piece together the parts as shown in the instructions. The glazed finish inside and out makes cleaning a breeze, maintaining its vibrant appearance effortlessly. Whether you're a succulent enthusiast or prefer vibrant flowers, this planter accommodates a variety of plant types. It includes drainage ditches to prevent waterlogging and ensure your plants thrive. Beyond its functional benefits, this planter doubles as a decorative piece. Its modern style and fade-resistant Yorkshire Terrier design make it a standout feature in any garden or living space. To sum up, if you're looking to add a touch of charm to your garden or home, this Yorkshire Terrier planter from Toyswill ticks all the boxes. It combines practicality with aesthetic appeal, making it a must-have for any dog lover's collection. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this review and want to see more like it, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to Product Critique for all your product review needs. See you next time.